Hi everyone, Diana D here. I would like to share with everybody the items that I got from Dory Did It's sale that she had. I will put a link to her in the description below. The first thing that I got was this bone pillow. She makes these and sells them on her channel. And this is the first one that I've gotten. And I have to say it is super comfortable. And it actually does help your neck some. So I got that. And with that pillow, I got this Ogo yarn. I don't know. That isn't going to help, but it's blues and a green. And then I got I've been wanting one of these bobbins for a while to kind of see how it is. And I end up winning 2 of them on her sale. And pastel colors. I'm very sorry about the lighting on here, but you can kind of see it. And I don't know much about these bobbins because I never had one before, but it says that it's a number 4 weight. It's equal to 3 balls in one, and each section, there's 3 sections. Each section has 181 yards. And the colorway, I'm not sure if it has a color on it. I don't see that, but it's pastel colors, and it's really pretty. Look at that. I got 2 of those. And with that, I got 4 of these Yarn Bee tweed. Indeed, it's called. It says pumpkin tweed, and these are 180 yards. Calls for a size 8 knitting needle or a size 9 crochet hook, and it's a number 4 weight. It's 46% acetate and 46% cotton, 6% viscose, and 2% polyester. And the color on it is really pretty. So I can't wait to see what I can come up with to use this on. And I got 4 of them. She also put in a partial bobbin that like that. And I got 1 skein of the Lion Brand ice cream yarn, and the color is grape. But these ones are really pretty. But that is what I got from Dory Did It. She had a sale a while back, and I was lucky to get a couple bobbins because I've been wanting to try them. But like I said, I'll link her description or her channel, sorry, in the description box so that you can go check her out. And I hope everybody has a great night and the rest of their weekend. And I will see you on the YouTube streets. Bye for now.